All right, guys, so welcome to the Buscemi family channel. Today, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison to the Miele DualFlex HX1 TotalCare and my new machine, the UWANT V500. Now, I got the UWANT V500 for a very specific reason, of which I'm going to show you later on in the video. Now, when you discard the rubbish out of the Miele, it kind of gets all over the place. But the V500 UWANT has a very interesting way to discard the rubbish, of which I'm going to show you later in the video. I'm also going to do side-by-side comparisons and tests on many different things. So check it out. All right, guys, so it's the next day and I have everything laid out for the viewer. Let's go through what everything is. Okay, first you have your attachments. You have your extension to the wand, you have your brush. What's really cool about this is that it could go from a brush to something that could get inside the cushions of the couch. Nice and easy, button right here. Super simple, goes into place. And what's really cool is these items, if you put them into the wand, clicks in. Same thing here. Clicks in. Now you have the head, which is pretty self-explanatory, right? So what's going to happen is clicks into place, and you have a vacuum. Okay, what is this here? This is the base to the stand. So this is the stand. As you saw, I just put it together. This comes in and out just like that. But what's really cool about this is when you want to put the vacuum on the stand, that's where it is. What's also really cool about the stand is when you look here, so when you put this particular unit, the UWANT, on the stand and you put it in a certain mode, the rubbish will automatically go in to here. So that's where it sits and the rubbish will go in there. Additionally, it comes with a separate bag. This is super easy just to put back, everything clicks into place. But to take it a step further, as you see here, this is where the electrical unit is. Come a little closer. You see that right there? When you want to plug it in, you simply plug this in here, and this is going to go into the wall. So when you use the UWANT, it has a really interesting way of discarding the rubbish. Let's take a look. And then you turn it off and you put it on the stand. Watch what happens. Now take a look here. What's happening is the rubbish is being pushed into the bag. Now, that is something that I've never seen on any of these vacuums, whether it's the Shark, whether it's the Miele. The UWANT is the only one that does that. You put it on there and it automatically discards the rubbish. All right, guys, so comparatively, when we're taking the rubbish or discarding the rubbish from the Miele, first we got to take off the wand, putting that down. Then I'm opening the garbage and you could see what's going to happen here. Now look, all the dust kind of gets all over the place. I can even taste the dust in my mouth. So comparatively, it's a lot more messy on the Miele than it is the UWANT. So guys, I want to show you this technology that the UWANT has that the Miele doesn't have. You've noticed that when I turn it on, let me show you now, it has that green light. The whole idea of the green light is that you could see all of the rubbish. And just looking here, I hope the camera can pick it up, it shows all of that dust. So in a dimly lit area, like under a couch, you could see the rubbish with that green light. And now it's all gone. Now guys, looking at the Miele in the same dimly lit environment, let me turn it on now. Now, Is it working? Yeah, it's working, but there's not that same technology, that green light technology. I cannot see the dust that I'm trying to pick up. I'm certain it's picking it up, but I can't see it, and that's where that green light technology kind of differs on the UWANT versus the Miele. All right, so guys, so now we're in my garage, and the reason why I'm taking you to my garage is because this is where I keep my Miele. I told you I'm going to compare the Miele to the UWANT. Now, I put the UWANT next to the Miele, and one thing that you notice right away was that you could put the accompaniments right here. What you notice about the Miele, even though it's propped up against the wall, the accompaniments are not with the machine. Come over here. I have to keep the accompaniments in a drawer. It's inconvenient. You know, I got one here, I got one here. They're all over the place. Whereas with the UWANT, it's right here with the machine. So a couple things that I want to kind of mention to you. Number one is the weight. The UWANT is just a little bit lighter than the Miele. Now, look at the size of them. The Miele is also bigger. So it all depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for something a little bit bigger, maybe something that you can get further, perhaps the Miele. However, the UWANT is lighter and easier to handle. Now, both of them have a boost mode. So I'd like to turn them on and show you the boost mode, and we can kind of listen to see where the power lies. So come a little closer. That's the Miele. And that's the boost mode. Now let's see the UWANT. And that's the boost mode. So you judge for yourself. I happen to think the boost mode on the UWANT just sounds a little bit more powerful, but they both come with a boost mode. Now what I will say also is that the UWANT has an eco mode and the Miele does not have an eco mode. All right guys, so I have the Miele here and I have the UWANT here, and I have an accompaniment, the similar type of accompaniment for both. And I want to show you slight differences when you're attaching the accompaniments. So let's start with the Miele. As you can see here, when you put the Miele on, there's no click. It just kind of fits snugly on there. Now, that might be okay, that might not be okay, it's totally up to you, but there is no click. Now, with the UWANT, when you put accompaniment on, take a listen. It clicks. So I kind of like the click, but it's a subtle difference between both machines. All right, guys, so now we're gonna actually do a test to see how good the machines work. I have dog food, and I want you to come close to see this dog food. This is not like little chintzy dog food. These are pretty big morsels. And I have 10 here and 10 here. On the left, I'm gonna use the UWANT, and I'm gonna put it on boost mode. On the right, I'm going to use the Miele and put it on boost mode. So come check it out. We're gonna start with the UWANT. Look here. Boost. Not bad. Those are heavy duty pieces of dog food. They're not little morsels, and it handled it seamlessly. Now let's check out the Miele. By the way, Miele is a world-renowned brand. Everyone knows this. We have a Miele refrigerator. This is a brand that has stood the test of time. So let's see if it stands up to the UWANT. On. Boost mode. Very similar. All right, guys, so we have a pile of rice here and a pile of rice here. We just did dog food. Now we're gonna use the full vacuum. On the right side, we will have the UWANT V500, and on the left side, we will have the Miele DualFlex HX1, and we're gonna see how it does with rice. All right, guys, you judge for yourself. They both performed pretty well, pretty decently. Just simply one pass over the rice and both adequately removed the rice. All right, guys, so right now what I want to show you is another little comparison between the Miele and the UWANT. The Miele is in my right hand, the UWANT's in my left. A lot of times, you gotta clean these vacuum cleaners. I am a strong advocate of cleaning it regularly so it operates really well. I'm gonna show you how to take out the roller on both and see which one is easier. Or simply compare. Miele, on the side here, you see you have a screw. So you have to do lefty-loosey and pull. To put it back in, you can see here, there's a pin that guides it. See that pin there? That guides the roller. So that's how you know that you're getting it in. And to put it back in, after you clean it, you're getting this in. You know, you have to kind of find the right angle, which is not super easy. Okay, so not super easy to get that back in. Now, by contrast, you have the UWANT. You have a little trigger right here. Come close and see this little trigger. See it there? You just pull that trigger up. This comes up and out. To put it back in, just going like that. Clicks into place. So, just wanted to show you that. Of course, you always have to keep these pieces clean so that it's operating its best. So coming in and out and finding out how to do that is super important. Last comparison that I want to make is I want to see the price point. If you're sitting at home and you're watching this video, you want to know what the cost differences will be. Well, I've looked in two different places. Let's take a look at Miele or Miele, whatever you want to call it, DualFlex TotalCare, which is what I showed you in this video, on Amazon for $6.99. So we're looking at $700. By comparison, the UWANT V500, which again is the one that I showed you, we're looking at $259 or $260. Okay, so a very, very stark price difference. And this is Amazon, and I will leave links below for both products.